In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Charles Schwab Brokerage account. Think of a Schwab Brokerage account as your main investing hub. It's where you can buy individual stocks, invest in ETFs like broad market index funds, purchase mutual funds, hold cash, and track your entire portfolio in one place. This walkthrough is educational and will help you get comfortable navigating the basics. Start by logging in on the Schwab website or mobile app. Enter your username and password and complete two-factor verification if it pops up. Keeping your verification device handy will make sign-in smoother and more secure. Next, add money so you're ready to invest. From the main menu, choose Move Money, then Transfers. Link your bank account if you haven't already and initiate a transfer into Schwab. That incoming cash is your buying power. Depending on your bank, transfers may take a bit of time to fully settle, so don't worry if you don't see it instantly. Once your account is funded, decide what to invest in. Inside Schwab, you'll find tools to research stocks like large, well-known companies, ETFs that track indexes such as the S&P 500, and mutual funds, including low-cost index options. You can compare performance, fees, and holdings right on the platform. For beginners, broad market ETFs and index funds are a simple way to get diversified exposure. Always take a moment to read the fund description and expense ratio so you know what you're buying. When you're ready to place a trade, click Trade. Choose the type of investment you're buying, stocks, ETFs, or mutual funds, and enter the ticker symbol, such as an S&P 500 ETF or an index mutual fund. Select Buy, then enter the amount you want to invest or the number of shares, depending on the investment type. Review the order carefully to confirm the ticker, quantity or dollar amount, and estimated cost. Then place the order. You'll receive a confirmation once it's executed. After you've invested, monitor your portfolio under Accounts, then Positions. Here you can see your holdings, gains and losses, value changes, and any dividends you've received. Exploring your performance and history can help you understand how your investments move over time. From there, aim to reinvest or add more money consistently. Many investors contribute on a weekly or monthly schedule and choose to reinvest dividends to keep their money compounding. Try to avoid frequent trading and focus on a long-term plan, which tends to deliver more dependable results. That's the foundation of using your Schwab brokerage account. Log in, fund, choose, trade, monitor, and build steadily over time.